Hi guys, today I'm going to look at exercise 4, which is one of the introductory exercises in your training manual. And the first thing I would suggest you do is go up to the little navigator on your right, and where this little icon is, and you've got a thing called the view map. This view map is where the exercises are laid out, and you want to be in exercise 4. Now, the very first one is going to show us how to extend lines to meet each other. Up here it says control and command, and it depends on what machine you're using, Mac or PC. But there's a little trick that they haven't given you here, which is if we want to extend lines or anything for that matter like walls, just make sure you're in the line tool first. This helps. So I want to extend line A to line C. I'm just going to select it. I'm going to press the control button because I'm on a PC. But a little trick I found is make sure whenever you get in the icon, select that little line which appears. And if I do the same thing, just click away from these two objects to deselect them. I'll select line A again. And if I go to control and hover over line B, when that little black line appears, click on that and you'll see that the lines are extended. The second one, we're going to do it with a wall. So again, I suggest you get into the wall tool, select the wall, and then if we press control and hover over the slab, get that little line, and you can see that the element becomes extended to the edge of slab B, which is what we want. You can do numerous elements, so if I go up and try and select all these walls together, I might try and go back to the wall tool at the same time to try out this theory, and then just go control and try that little, and you can see it does multiple objects at once. Okay, the next one is the split command. You can use another command up here, which if I was to undo those ones, there's a command called adjust, which is up here. So if I select one of these walls and select this adjust command, you can actually click on the wall and kind of draw an edge, and it'll kind of bring them to meet up, and you see this nice clean intersection there as well. Now, to keep this video short, I'll just do the bottom split command, and you can then practice that. So what we want to do is we want to split these lines C at line A, and I'd rather, you can shift click and select them, or you can do what we did earlier, grab this arrow and select them all at once. Now once you've done that, Archicad wants to know what you want to do with them, so just go to the split command, which is like this executioner's X. Now if we say split, and it's always a good idea to check the prompts down in the bottom left hand corner. It says click an arc, edge, or draw a line. So I think what we should do is draw a line, and then you'll see the little eye appears. So what does that mean? It means what side do you want to keep the elements. So just click, and if you want to delete them, you delete them. This one's quite a clever one here, intersect lines A and B. So what we'll do is just select the lines, and up here there is an icon which says intersect. You just click that and it automatically does it for you, which is quite chic. I think this last drawing is a combination of tasks where you're going to use the skills you've just learnt. So if you can complete that one in line with the book, that will be more than satisfactory, and we can then move on to exercise 5. Best of luck.